many photography apps on the market these days, so it can be a hard choice when choosing which one to use. Do you need to pay for an app to get the best editing options? Do you just need to do some quick edits? Do you also need to be able to store and organize your photos? As someone just starting out in photography, you probably don't even know the answers to these questions yet. You're likely to waste a lot of time and possibly money looking for that perfect app. So this video is designed to save you that time and get you using the best photography app from the get-go. So here are the 10 reasons why Lightroom is the best photography app on the market. Let's get started. Okay, so let's start with the most important thing, the price. The basic version of the Lightroom app is completely free, so you can get started at absolutely no cost. However, if you do want to access some of the more advanced editing techniques that we are going to be talking about in this video, then you are going to need to pay for the subscription. Adobe has a variety of subscription options for the Lightroom app, starting at less than $15 a month. This then gives you access to Lightroom on both your phone and your laptop, cloud storage, syncing, and the more advanced editing options. So if you're thinking about doing photography as a business, it is definitely worth paying for this app. I find this feature extremely useful as I'm often switching between my phone and my laptop. I often take photos on my phone but prefer to edit them on a bigger screen. With automatic syncing between devices, I don't have to worry about transferring or moving the files. I can access them anytime I need to. Cloud syncing also provides an automatic backup of your files, so if you lose your phone, you don't lose all of your images. Most photography apps on your phone will only support JPEG file types. RAW is a much higher quality image file that allows you to do much greater editing with your images. Not only will Lightroom support the RAW file format, it also allows you to take your pictures on your phone in RAW format as well. There are very few apps on the market that actually allow you to do this. Let me know in the comments if you want to learn more about the difference between JPEG and RAW files. Within the edit mode of the app, there are 15 tabs at the bottom. Each of these tabs has different editing options. You can do overall edits where you change the whole image, or selective edits where you only work on a small part of the image. You can crop, transform, and straighten your images. You can change the lighting, the color, and the details of your photo. All your basic needs of editing your images are covered. Not only is Lightroom great for the amount of editing options it has, but you can also copy and paste your editing settings from one photo to another, or even a series of images. This not only speeds up your editing process, but also helps to ensure that all of your photos have a cohesive look. Another option is Lightroom presets. You can buy these or make them yourself. A preset is a saved version of your editing settings, which means that you can just edit your photo with just a single click. Lightroom is not just for editing and storing your photos. It also has a camera function allowing you to take the photos. This camera is much better than the standard camera app on your phone, as it allows you to use manual settings when shooting. This gives you a lot more control over the images that you are taking and allows you to experiment with your settings to get interesting effects. Let me know in the comments if you want to learn more about using manual settings on your phone to control your camera. I am yet to find a library system for photos that rivals the one in Adobe Lightroom. You can organize your photos into albums, add ratings and keywords. There are many ways to sort through your photos as well, using different view options and the search bar. Have you ever edited a photo and then looked at the photo and you're not really happy with how it has turned out? With Lightroom, that's okay, because you can hit undo as many times as you need to. This allows you to try out different editing techniques and play around until you are completely happy with your photo. Ever wondered how to add a watermark to your photos before sharing it on social media? Well, with Lightroom, it's really easy. When you export the image, there's just a setting that you can turn on to add a watermark. Lightroom also has a detailed customization mode for this watermark so that you can make it look exactly how you want it to. Having photos on your phone makes it so easy to show them off on the go. Lightroom makes it very easy to just start a slideshow of your photos with a single tap. This means you can just hand your phone to the viewer and all they have to do is watch. No swiping or accidentally hitting the wrong button. So there we have it, the 10 reasons why Lightroom is the best editing app on the market. If you want to learn more about Lightroom and how to use it, then please check out my Lightroom ebooks. The link is in the description. If you have enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel to learn more about taking and editing your photos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again